If you have a pet, you must have one of these dust buster cordless vacuum to take care of hairs and litter all around. And this one has been in use for so long because it's just always work. It's super simple. It charges in its charging area, and here next to my litter box there's always some litter go astray. Vacuum and keep the area clean and nice. I like that it can get to all these little corners that a normal vacuum would not get to, and it's really light to hold, so there's no strain on the wrist. So within 1 minute, this area is clean again, and this is really easy to empty. Just press here. And put it back. It's ready to go again. You can take this out if you want to use this and actually pull it out to get more of a range and a reach, this or that. And then charging on the wall is super simple. After you just put it with a couple of screws, and there it goes. Really hidden but in reach, easy to get. Really easy, simple, light, and economical way to vacuum in the corners and keep your house clean and without a lot of effort. Definitely give it a try.